Yeah.
What's up, boys? It's Top Dog Toby fucking Reviews here, back at it again with a review of replacing my headlight. Yeah, nah, that's a review. That's quality content, you know. So I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So let's hope I can figure this out. This says pull. I'm pulling. Damn frame. Why can't they just cut the whole thing out? Yeah, that's probably a good reason why. Yeah, this crossbars. Something tells me that this is going to be one hell of a bitch to put back on. Whew. And I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I feel like I am.
No.
And if I feel like I'm doing it right, I'm doing it right. Okay. Does this like twist out or? Okay, it looks like that just pulls right on out of there. That ain't too hard. Scratch that. There's a locking detent that I don't know how the fuck to disengage. God damn it, plastic ferrule, get off. Maybe I can fold that back. Okay, worst part about working on a car is these cramped spaces and not knowing what the fuck you're doing. That's a recipe for disaster. Or at least breaking a part that costs money to replace.
Maybe you should ask Stuart.
Fuck no. Is that it? There's another one over here.
You're definitely gonna mess up.
Thank you. Thank you for the support, Maddie.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate it.
Just a warning.
Stay off, please. Pretty please. Pretty please with sprinkles on top. Oh, damn it. Yeah. I'm not a mechanic, so don't expect me to know what the fuck I'm doing here.
That's called a Dimitri?
No. He doesn't know what he's doing either.
Sure he does.
He's rushing. Hey!
What?
How in the ever-loving Lord am I supposed to get that out of there? Can they see?
Sort of.
Oh, with a fucking screwdriver.
Big brain.
Big brain. Yeah, totally. Let's just move this totally unimportant part. Totally don't need this. It just gets in the way. Air will get in anyway. Actually, no, let's not do that. That's probably a bad idea. We're gonna go to my roadside service kit that I didn't bring. Hey Sarah, you up for a minute? I gotta get my tool bag. Yep, that's Sarah.
Sure
Always
is.
in the way.
Sure is. Yeah. I think we should call Dimitri because he doesn't know what he's doing. He said we shouldn't because he's rushing.
I hurt my leg getting out. Oh. No.
Please,
I
no
disagree.
pictures.
No pictures. That's
I just won't leave my luck, but guess what tool screwdriver. So we gotta do this the real way. By the way, none of this is scripted and I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Sarah, if you want back in the car, go ahead. Is it recording still?
Yeah.
What? What's so funny? Jesus Christ. Women.
Pardon?
I'm kidding. Not really. Let's put this air cleaner box back in because I don't feel like fucking up my air filtration. Especially with COVID. I don't want this to get COVID. I feel like that would be real bad for the engine. Where did my headlight go?
What?
Anyway, yeah, I used the same joke twice in a row. Big deal. Can that just stay the fucking thing when I take this thing out? Or is that too much to ask? No, I'm totally gonna hurt this. That don't even look burnt out. Okay. Wait, what? There are a lot of things in life that could be a lot easier. You know, there's some easy ways to fix them. Talking it out. A nice hug.
Ew, that's all gross.
And a Phillips head screwdriver. Which I don't have. And I don't feel like hugging this dirty part. And it hates me. So, we'll, that is not going to work. But let's give it a shot. I'd like to go in and buy a screwdriver, but I'm a lazy fuck, so what do you expect me to do? Probably buy a screwdriver, actually. Or I could keep fiddle fucking around with this. Or just delete this entire recording and do it when I actually have my parts. Maybe we should go home and film this. Do you agree? No? Keep on fiddle fucking around?
No, I think you should record both, upload both recordings.
Oh yeah, 2 parts. Fuck yeah. More content for my amazing
You
viewers.
should ask Stuart for help.
I know what I'm doing. I'm not asking my